So last week I had my first sewing fail, which was hilarious. I really enjoyed failing at that. And today I'm gonna try and rectify my mistakes. I'm gonna try and turn that big nightgown into something really fun and wearable. I got a really nice snack with me to help me in my time of trouble. And without further ado, let's get into it. The first step is to put this bad boy on in order to analyze what the situation is. I'm thinking of bringing the shoulders down like this and then cropping it, and then the bottom will be a skirt. Look at this color, man. It's my color. Look how good I look in this color with the red lippy. Okay, so the first thing I had to do was to unpick that bias binding elastic channel at the neckline. After about 15 minutes of unpicking, I realized I was wasting my precious time and was slowly aging, so I took creative license and chopped it off. With that step out of the way, it was time for me to put the nightgown on and begin taking some measurements. I started with my chest. I wanted something baggy, but not the extreme version of what I had, so I went with the size of my chest plus half of that and kind of winged it. Then I decided where I wanted to crop it. And then because I have trust issues, I measured out things again just to be on the safe side. I finally went ahead to cut the top when my whole bowl of pins fell off my ironing table. Then I spent most of 2021 picking each pin off my floor together with food crumbs from 2020. And then I finally started to make progress pinning a straight line and cutting the top off. Hallelujah! Then I went back to measuring myself because I'd forgotten what the plan was. Would you look at the sunshine? Wow! Wow! It has been a long winter, so yeah, the sunshine is looking good, giving me the good vibes. This top, I spat on it, sorry. This top is giving me good vibes. I'm feeling hopeful. I mean, last time I felt hopeful, it ended up in a big disaster. But now I'm feeling hopeful again, okay? Okay, so here I was just attaching the top together at the sides while singing my heart out. I heard there was a secret chord. Hallelujah. Okay, well, I feel like this looks a little bit more size appropriate. I hope it's not too small now. Oh Lord. I had to do some maths, and historically I've never really been good at maths. It's the subject I dreaded the most in school. Is this the back? I think it's the back. I am confusion. Yeah, this is the front. Feels much better on the old ladies. Okay, so now what we need to do is make some channels for some elastic. I'm not gonna do anything with the puffy sleeves. I'm not gonna change them. I'm not gonna make them smaller because I think they are great just as they are. Just like you. You are also great just as you are. Accept yourself and move on with your life. Stop criticizing yourself too much. It's not good for you. Anyways, with my TED talk out of my way, let's make some channels. Here I was pressing the seam open and filling my iron the only way I know how, with my watering jug. It's my life hack. I love it, and I'll do this till the day I die. For the channels, it was a simple case of folding the bottom edge twice and pressing. Then it was time to do the same thing for the top, which is slightly more challenging because the top bit was curved. Once that was done, I went ahead and stitched both channels together, leaving an opening for the elastic. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I don't think I did the best job at the curves, but nothing a bit of elastic won't solve. I then needed to measure out how much elastic I needed for the top and the bottom. This was a simple case of just what feels comfortable. just caught myself. Just caught myself with the scissor. I think it all happened too quickly for me to be able to know what happened. Ooh. That was a painful deep cut. It took like a week and a half to heal. I don't know how it happened, but I guess it goes to show just how fancy and sharp my scissors are. So, you know, that's that. Then it was time to insert the elastic into the casings. Here I was putting the top on whilst holding onto the elastic to check everything felt okay before I closed the casing shut. I did give myself far too much elastic, so my advice to you would be that when you work with elastic, double check, double check, double check. Okay, so I am doing the same thing for the bottom, just inserting the elastic, and I have to say that inserting elastic through this top, it's just annoying me. I'm like, I feel like I was making really quick progress, but here I am aging while inserting elastic. So I have agreed today and decided that inserting elastic through a little channel is like one of my least favorite sewing activities. I'd very much appreciate it if you let me know what your least favorite activity is. Doesn't have to be sewing, can be anything in life related. Like, I really don't enjoy doing dishes. Like, I can clean the whole house, but if you ask me to do the dishes, I'm like, no. Oh, I don't enjoy it when people who stand there and sing happy birthday to you and you're like, I don't know what to do with myself. What am I supposed to do with myself? And you're like, thank you so much, thank you. I tell you something else I don't enjoy. I don't enjoy paying £10 for avocado on toast. I'm like, why? Why are we paying £10 for a slice of bread and half avocado? Like, it annoys me so much. I have stopped ordering avocado on toast when I go out. Like, I'm like, okay, let me have shakshuka eggs, because that takes effort and I don't normally cook that. Avocado on toast takes literally like a minute and I can do that at home for like £1.50. Guys, I have finished inserting the elastic, but I have enjoyed telling you about things that I don't enjoy. So feel free, to share what you don't enjoy in the comments. Right, so I quickly put on the top for a final check, closed the casing shut, and voila, the top was done. Come on, somebody. Then I moved on to the skirt, which was, let's be honest, twice the size of me. Similar to the top, I needed to measure it and determine the length and the width. I also wanted a ruffle, so I decided to go ahead and cut out the width of the full skirt before taking the skirt in. Okay, so I'm just about to sew the skirt together. Will this be a roaring success? I'm not sure. Will this be a good attempt at rectifying a mistake? Yes. Here I was making a casing for the elastic to go in at the waist. There's a lot of elastic in this project. There's so much elastic. I bought this thicker elastic specifically for this project and I really love how it looked on the skirt. However, sliding it in the casing was a nightmare and a half. Once the elastic was through, I needed to gather my little ruffle. I think I'm gonna finish this project tomorrow morning because I am exhausted, legit, and I didn't even get a chance to finish my bun and enjoy a cup of tea. So I'm just gonna have a chill night, and then tomorrow morning before work I'll finish it and then I'll show you the final results because I think it's a cute set, if I may say so myself. Happy Sunday. Get yourself a snack. Honestly, you deserve it. It's 2021. We all deserve a snack. Early on Monday morning, I stitched the elastic together, closed the channel shut, and attach the ruffle to the skirt while wearing my pajamas. And voila, my outfit was done and dusted. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you my outfit. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it was such a fun challenge, and it's something a little bit more wearable, and it's like I can imagine myself wearing this at the beach on a sunny day. So I'm very, very happy. And also the fact that I was able to freestyle this without a tutorial, without a pattern, and I just went for it. I'm like, high five, girl, that is progress, and I'm very proud of myself. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting this channel. It means so much to me, and I will see you in the next video. I'm doing a video about 15 free patterns for spring, so stay tuned. Lots of love, bye bye, and here's to spring coming. Bye.